What's up everyone? Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss about XRP. Is it dead? What are the price predictions for the future? And as an XRP holder, could you have prevented being invested that long in this asset and losing that much money? Okay, I will show you how you could have done that, if you could have done that, and what kind of strategy you can use, fully for free strategy, okay, to avoid assets like this that lose you money. I'm not saying XRP is a bad idea, but why not buy it when it's cheap instead of holding it from the top to the bottom, right? So let's get into it. Today I have my pink coffee mug because the red one didn't arrive yet. And if you are a returning viewer, you know what that means. So let's get into the content right now. And if you are new around here, hey, I'm Michael. I'm an engineer, I love automation, and I quit my job at DAP Radar, where I was a well-paid VP of engineering, in order to help you as a retail investor automate your crypto in order to have higher chances of success in the crypto markets. Most people don't have time to look at the charts every day, so automation is the solution. Trend following strategies are the solution. This is what I'm talking about on this channel. This way I was able to grow my wealth while I was actually working at a full-time job and also protect myself from the downside in the bear market. So if you want to do the same, then make sure to follow this channel and follow every single video, because I have two playlists. One of them is crypto news and the other one is algo trading knowledge, which has the potential to change your life. So make sure to watch every single video in that playlist, because that will teach you how to automate your crypto and also how to avoid stupid mistakes, basically. So with all of that in mind, let's get into the content. When you go online, you find some bullish news about XRP. They might actually win the lawsuit finally, because this freaking lawsuit is still open, and there is some bullish news about that. Okay, cool. There is some very bullish news about Apple potentially using XRP for their payments. And there is a lot of hope in the XRP community that this coin will finally recover and make us money, or well, at least get us back where we bought it from. But check this out. It's a bit of a fun chart. So it's time to pump now. Maybe now, finally. Or now that Apple said they will integrate it as payment provider. Now, listen, I know hope is there, but hope is not a strategy, okay? So I will tell you how I would analyze the situation right now, not looking at any news, because you had the news for years and you lost money if you are an XRP holder. And if you're not an XRP holder, then continue watching, because I will show you how to avoid coins that lose you money in this video, okay? And I will use XRP as an example. So let's agree that the news don't help, okay? Because if they would help, people wouldn't have lost so much money in XRP already. But what does help is looking at the chart and applying strategies that give you numbers that you can then use to decide if you want to buy or sell or hold an asset based on mathematics, okay? It's simple, and I want to show you how to do it right now. And based on these numbers, I'm going to tell you, should you buy, hold, or sell XRP in my opinion. Let's do it. I have prepared 5 strategies that I will apply on XRP to determine if I want to buy, sell, or hold this asset. Now, before I do that, let me show you those strategies on Bitcoin. They work on any other coin, but just so you see the numbers that you can expect from these strategies, and then you can compare with XRP. Now, very quickly, the first strategy, this is one of my own, makes money on Bitcoin. It's quite nice, actually works well. Now, the second strategy makes money on Bitcoin, works quite well. The third strategy, fine, makes money as well, great. Gaussian channel strategy. This is a freely available strategy on TradingView. The way you find it, you go here to indicators and you type in Gaussian channel, and you should find it in your search results. If you don't find it, let me know. I can give you access to that. And then we also have the super trend strategy, which you can also find in the indicators. Type in super trend strategy and you will find it there. Now, the only thing with this strategy, it doesn't have a start and end date, so that you basically can start at 2018, which all of these strategies start 2018, 1st of January. And this strategy starts at the beginning of Bitcoin. So in that case, I use the deep backtesting. I go here, I put 2018, 0101, and I go into the future basically until today. And then I generate the report. And this way I can compare these numbers with the other strategies, which actually have a start end date, each of them built in, which is much easier to use. But just for the super trend strategy or any other strategy that doesn't have these filters here in the inputs to have a start and end date, you have to use the deep backtesting to get the same time frame to be able to compare with. And as you can see, it makes money on Bitcoin as well. Okay, so far so good. Now let's go back to XRP and apply all of these strategies on XRP and see what it gives us and if it helps us to determine if we should buy, sell, or hold this asset. Let's go top down. First strategy, no changes to the strategy whatsoever, just apply it as we applied it on Bitcoin. It loses money. Well, okay, whatever, right? Second strategy, it loses money, meaning it cannot predict the trends, it cannot find the trends, so it loses money. The third one also loses money, so that's already a pretty bad sign. The Gaussian channel strategy loses money. The super trend strategy also loses money. And by the way, I cannot go to 1st of January because the chart only started on the 4th of May. So the deep backtesting only lets me select the 4th of May 2018 as the first one, but that's okay. The time frame can be compared. So as you can see, there is no strategy that makes money on this asset. Now listen, if all the strategies that I'm usually using to determine if I buy, sell, or hold a coin are losing money, then what do you think I will be doing in this particular case? And before I give you my answer, let me take a sip from my pink coffee mug. If you are a returning viewer, then you know that that means that I'm bearish on this asset. But it's obvious, right? If I have strategies that give me high probability of success on thousands of coins, okay, and then I use any of these strategies on XRP and it loses money, then it's obvious I have to put my money in a different coin, okay? It doesn't matter how the news look like, what people are saying, because if you actually listen to what other people are saying other than strategies and mathematics, you will 100% lose money, okay? If you don't take your investments into your own hands, make your own decisions when to buy and when to sell, if to buy or sell an asset at all, you will 100% lose money. You have to be the captain of your ship, and in order to do that as fast as possible, the easiest way to do it is to simply go to TradingView and apply a freaking strategy on the asset, okay? That's the easiest way to do it. Now let's take the super trend strategy for a spin and check it on many other assets to see if it would work there or not. So on Bitcoin, you already know, but let's do it again here. From 2018, it makes money. Cool. On Ethereum, let's make sure we have the same date there, and it makes money. On Solana, 2018, or actually first available day, if 2018 the asset did not exist yet, just to make sure, it makes money. Then Matic, first available day, and it makes money. AVAX, first available day, and it makes money, right? Let's go to freaking medieval empires and see how that would work out. And here, it does not make money. Okay, cool. Now I can try other strategies to see would they work here actually. And this strategy, again, this has this date selector, so I don't have to use the deep backtesting here. So here it would work. The other strategies, they would actually make money on this asset. So this asset can be on my list if I have a strategy that works with it. But if you only have the super trend strategy available, you actually should stay away from this asset because there is no way that you can predict the trend using this particular strategy on this particular asset. So why take the risk and invest in this asset with this strategy while there are way better opportunities out there to win with a higher probability? You see what I'm saying? The probability of making money, okay, on any other coin where this strategy is positive or makes money is much, much higher than holding or buying XRP, okay? Why I'm using the super trend here is because you have access to it fully for free in TradingView. But of course, if I use my own strategy, it makes more money, whatever, right? Just use a strategy and apply it and make your decisions based on that, okay? So if I had XRP right now, I would sell it and I will put it into the asset that has the highest probability of making money based on the strategy that you have access to, okay? You have access to the Gaussian channel and to the super trend one. So go top down through the biggest coins and find out which one has the highest percentage profitable trades, profit factor, and also the lowest drawdown. Yes, I know that the super trend has a high drawdown because it's not the best strategy on the planet, but it's free, okay? If you want the paid strategy, this is mine, whatever. Doesn't matter. I want to help you for free, okay? So now you know how I think about this. Whenever I go and think about buying, selling, or holding a coin, I apply a strategy. I think I made that very clear in this video. If you have more questions, let me know down in the comments. I will answer each and every one of your comments because I'm here to help people. I want them to not get wrecked in the next bear market. I want them to stay away from bad coins. And I love automation and I love mathematics. So I don't care about opinions and hopes and dreams and chart patterns that don't make any sense, okay? So strategies, the only thing that works. I understand there is almost no one on YouTube explaining this stuff, which is why I'm doing it, right? So make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to click the freaking bell icon, because then you don't miss out on any of these videos that I'm making. And also make sure to check out the educational playlist that I have, because over there I'm explaining how to interpret these numbers, I'm explaining the mistakes you can avoid, I'm even explaining how to automate these strategies to actually buy and sell fully automatically on your exchange. And I will link that video for you up here in the corner. Make sure to watch it after this one. And if you want to become a master of automation of crypto assets using trend following strategies, go on the link down below, click apply for access, and talk to me about getting access to my knowledge here and also to my strategies. But until then, make sure to check out the playlist that I mentioned. I have a ton of free content on my channel that already helps you very well. But if you want to do the best thing possible, make sure to apply for this masterclass, and I will see you there, or I will see you in the next video. And this, by the way, where is it? Here. This is the automation video that I mentioned before as well. Watch it. It will change your life, and I will see you over there. Cheers.